You didn't think you'd see your boy Bryn on a moped, did you? Well, today we've got a very special video for you. Let me introduce my Uncle Pete, my Auntie Julie. This is my uncle. Yeah, this is my favourite nephew. Yeah.
We raised money for Northwest Cancer Research, which was inspired by
me. This is up in bowel cancer, so we decided to be nuts. And did the coast to coast last year, which was very successful.
Yeah.
This year, we big pros decided we're going to do on Northwest 130, going down North Wales, down Anglesey.
Cool.
Rest of the family.
So you're on, what are they? Honda
Express.
Honda Express NC50s. So
Okay.
mine goes about 25 miles an hour.
Right.
His
Mine
goes a
does
little
about
bit faster.
27.
Does it? Does it? Right, so if people want to donate, well, how can they do that?
We've got a Just Giving page.
I'll put the link in the description for that.
Yeah, got a Just Giving page. I set the limit at £1,000 because we did last year as well. You know, it's tough for everybody, but
Yeah.
any little that helps will be amazing.
Yeah.
We'll give you the link.
So while most of us will be on little 50cc's, maybe something a little bit bigger, my dad has decided that he's got to go on something a lot bigger. Behind this garage door is Dad's old bike. It doesn't belong to Dad anymore because he let it get into such a state, and then my brother couldn't be bothered to fix it either. So my Uncle Chris has decided to completely restore it. Now Dad hasn't seen this yet. We're about to see it for the first time in how many years? No idea. Go on, have a look at it. What do you think to that?
I think that's bloody amazing. That is absolutely amazing.
It is a different colour to what it was.
Yeah, just slightly. Yeah. I was expecting it to say "Loves Boys" or something, or you know, like Top Gear would have done. No, I think it's absolutely astonishing.
Small disaster already. We just popped to the chip shop about a mile away, come back and the throttle had jammed on, so we're going to try and fix it. Throttle cable is definitely shredded, so luckily we have some cable. It's all stripped down and we've just got to find a way to make some ends. This is all new to me.
Yeah, we got that. A bit of luck enough for that went in there. This is Redneck Engineers, his finest.
Oh no,
Ow.
it definitely didn't work.
It went down the hole though.
Yeah, it just didn't get past it. We'll edit that bit out, Chris. World doesn't need to see all your failures. So we're going to plan C. Lead didn't work, so we're going to have to just butcher a bit of copper tube and make a barrel.
Rig pipe.
Yeah, and then the other end might work if we dip it.
Steady now, steady.
Just trying to get it up to the top as well. There you go. Yeah. Yes. Great success.
It worked.
Look at that. Perfect. I'm going to give it a bit of a tug.
On camera.
Yeah, she's mint.
So he's got to put
That's
5 of
mint,
those.
that.
Right then, go reassemble, young man.
good fun. What a smug git. So what's going on here now, Chris? The second, third, fourth bike you're fixing?
We've got a problem with the carburettor. It looks like the fuel floats are stuck.
Oh, is that the excess fuel that's...
That's part of the hot lady shit. If it catches it, if it ignites, then...
Yes. Yes.
I love this. I love it.
So we've just done about 10 miles, is it, Pete?
Yeah, 10 miles.
10 miles. I'm freezing, so I've opted to put another jacket on, borrowed some gloves, and I've definitely struggled with the hills. You were all right in the hills.
Yeah, you lay down, you see.
Oh no, I was as flat as I could get. But yeah, the hills are not my friend. How much worse do the hills get than that?
I think they're a little bit worse.
Fantastic.
Well, I didn't have to pedal, so, you know, that's the result. Oh, you enjoying it, Linny?
I am, it's really good.
Yeah? It's all right when you just sat on the back, isn't it? You haven't got to do anything.
Yeah, very good, because it's keeping all the rain off.
We've got a fresh hose on there now. And he's off!
Can't tell if you right now, but yeah.
We don't matter. I watched the TT.
Elbow down.
I've seen John McGuinness holding them back.
Got no suspense.
Got a bit of a disaster.
It's good that it happened when we were just pulling off though.
Yeah.
That's not ideal. Oh.
Rather than when you're riding.
Yeah, better now than later. So, like with all Top Gear style challenges, there's always a backup vehicle.
The story with the runabout,
Yeah.
when we were sorting out Uncle Dirk's house, the garden shed at the back behind the apple tree was falling down and the roof was in, and what was holding it was a load of junk in the shed.
Yeah.
When we emptied the shed out, that was behind it.
And
so
now-
we restored it and got it running,
running.
to finish a track on.
Yay! Woohoo! And so, actually, part of the adventure is now that we are heading to Anglesey Racetrack.
Anglesey Racetrack, where they've given us permission because of North West Cancer Research, what we're doing. They've given us permission to go round the track,
That's going to be cool, and I'm going to do it on
the runabout.
the runabout. Wow.
You do it on the express. You do it on the express.
Oh, yeah, I'm going to do it on. Yeah, Pete's going to do it on this. I'll do it on Pete's bike. He doesn't trust me. He doesn't trust me.
Topping off.
Huh?
He doesn't trust me to ride that.
That's got vintage in history.
I know.
You're going to get off there? Yeah.
So we are here at Anglesey Circuit. They have very kindly allowed us to do a few parade laps. We're not allowed to speed, but let's face it, it's not possible for us to speed, is it? 25, 30 mile an hour is the best we're going to do. So yeah, let's do some laps. Well, that was awesome fun. Big thank you to Anglesey Circuit for letting us do that. Yeah, if you're in the area, come and check them out. So this is repair number 73 of the trip.
Just to this bike.
What have you done to it, Paul?
It's fuel isn't getting through, so it's juddering, and then when I sit there, it won't idle, it just cuts out. So I'm blaming the bike.
Oh, yeah.
My poor driving.
Well, hopefully, Chris, the man that can, will fix it. Look, there's plenty of fuel there. Don't know what you're whinging about.
I'm not whinging. I filled it up at the last stop.
So, in typical YouTube style, things have not gone to plan.
going to work and there's
We're going to now try and fix this because
around the corner alongside
this one ain't fixable.
went straight.
So then we can switch around and Uncle Paul can use the Honda and then I'll get back on this. He can back on the rally and everyone will be happy if we can get this running. Small repair this time.
Producing music like this is a lot of
You've rattled a bolt
improvisation,
loose.
isn't it? A lot of kind of
Only on the tank and the exhaust at the back of my garage.
I heard you're a certified cable tie technician.
I am.
Yeah, they save your life, them things.
These things are on par with silicon.
Yeah. And black nasty.
Plastic.
Oh, well, it's been emotional. We've done Wrexham to Bangor and to Anglesey, round the track. This has been working, then not working, then working, and now it's not working. So, into the back of the van, and I'm going to have to go pillion on Dad's bike. I nearly made it, but it's just not meant to be. Right, to the pub. Hey! Right, well, so that is the end of our northwest. Wait, no, what we did? That's the end of our Bangor or Bust challenge. Some of us will bust, some of us made it, but we've all had a cracking time. We have. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers.